Bro, how does my neck hurt? Let me crack it. Bro, why is it? Bro, what? Let me ask this guy to crack my neck real quick. Come on, let's get this dub, man. Let's get this dub. Ah, bro. Can you please crack my neck? It hurts, like probably just crack it back in place, bro. Nah, bro, I'm on the last level of this game, bro. But I think you should go see a chiropractor for real, for real. Alright, bro, whatever. I'm cracking myself. Alright, bro, do you? I got YouTube. How to crack your neck. Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to crack your neck in just 2 steps. Number 1, place your hand on your head. You got that? Now place your hand on your neck. Okay. Now you gotta bend it. Bend it? You want me to bend my neck? Okay. Alright. Here goes nothing. Yeah! What is this man's doing? What did I do? Hey bro, oh no! Bro, help me. I'm trying to crack my neck, but I think I did it wrong. Bro, call 911, please. Oh, look at my body. Look at my head. Bro, can you help me put it back? Bro, I told you not to crack your neck, bro. Oh my God, bro. Hold on, I got some glue, bro. Glue? Bro, come back, glue. You can't use glue. I'll be right back. You can't, oh my God. Call 911, my head, my neck. Ah.